Wow! Leonardo and Ate Sheena. Oh, you know how to brake. You know how to slow down. Good job, boy. More. Hi, Kuya John. Oh, my stepson John's very happy. John, say hi.
No.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Cake.
Say hi. hi.
Well, you.
I love you. Tutu. Going to the right. Kabalo na siya busika. Noon, gamay na yung kulang para maabot na yung siya. Di pa siya kayo, pag siya kayo kabalo magtindak-tindak mo. Okay, one more round. Welcome to our little rider, Leonardo Stumo. Wow! Good job, boy. Oh, slow down. Slow down. Good job. More. Okay, good luck for that.